Unpredictability. Vocabulary and pronunciation activator. The noun unpredictability was coined in the 1920s. It's the noun form of the adjective unpredictable. Unpredictable itself was coined in the mid-19th century from the words predict with the prefix un and the suffix able. The word predict itself is, naturally, older still, and dates from as early as the mid-16th century. The word predict is formed from the prefix pre, which means before, and dict, which means to say or tell. Just as light is made up of several colours, so too are many English words made from several different parts. Un, negation, the most commonly used negative prefix in English. Pre, before, a prefix added to many English words. Dict, say. Dict is found in many English words. Able, a suffix from the French habiller, added to many English verbs. Ity, state, a suffix added to many English words. Many English multisyllable words are made up in such a way, and if you learn the most common prefixes and suffixes, you can expand your vocabulary dramatically. You can see that the word unpredictability has two secondary stresses, as well as the main stress that's found in all English words. Unpredictability. It's unusual for a word to have more than one secondary stress, but this is the result of unpredictability being composed of so many parts. There are several negative prefixes in English. The most common are di, dis, il, im, in, ir, mis, un. Let's see some of them in action, shall we? You're taking a look inside one of the many innovative British English lessons in the Britlish library. I've designed the lessons to help you activate your English skills in the most engaging and effective way possible. Unlike books, lessons in the Britlish library are packed with multimedia components that make it impossible not to improve your English skills. Packed with audio-visual material, each lesson is as close as you can get to having private one-to-one English classes with me online without the expense. I add new lessons every week, so you'll never run out of new things to learn. And you can do the lessons on any device from a computer to a mobile phone. All you need is an internet connection, and I'll personally deliver each lesson to you from the nearest and fastest server to your location. I can promise you that there's no more convenient or cost-effective way to take English classes with me, a real English teacher with a passion for teaching English using the very best available technology. The activators and other features of the lesson are available exclusively in the Britlish library at Britlish.com. You can enjoy a week's free membership to the Britlish library and get full, unrestricted access to this and all of the other lessons in the library today. There's no obligation to take out a paid membership, but I'm sure that when you see what incredible value a Britlish Library membership is, you'll join the hundreds of students who are already improving their English skills faster and more conveniently than they ever thought possible. To get your free one-week Britlish Library membership, visit Britlish.com today. I'm sure that you'll agree there's nothing else quite like it anywhere online. The Britlish Library, the best place on the planet to improve your English skills. If you're into crossword puzzles, I've created one for you which will help with negative prefixes. Find the link below.